We're the underdog, that we were not treated fairly, and we think we're going to get a lot of support from people during the sympathy vote category because they are service to the mayor, which is
maybe that's what happens when this is such a historic election.
It is an historic election, and lawsuits are a way to play fairly to ask for an impartial part of courts. And when you appeal to the clerk's office, as we appealed to her, making a demand early on back in May, she moved against us in terms of the validation of our candidacy on May 23rd. On May 25th, we gave her evidence from her own records, and we said, reconsider. We demand that you reconsider. She refused to consider that evidence. And the Court of Appeals said ultimately that Ms. Winfrey had not done her job, that she had not functioned as she should have, and if she had considered the demand when I made it, we very likely would not have been in the Court of Appeals. So she spent hundreds of thousands of dollars of taxpayer money to fight to keep one candidate off the ballot.
No, wait a minute. You say taxpayers' money paid for every time she has to go to court?
Absolutely.
Who pays for yours? Taxpayers' money or yours?
Volunteers! Well, I did say to the current clerk that she should not use the City of Detroit's law department like it is her private law firm, and she should not use our resources from the public coffers as if it were her public piggy bank.
So what would be your recommendation then to the council or to the emergency manager or to the governor? If this clerk can use the law department, what can we use when we have problems and we have to go to court and we pay the taxes?
Well, I was on the verge of asking the governor, Mr. Ford, Mr. B, and the members of the city council to make certain that this court was admonished and she understood that she could no longer spend taxpayer dollars fighting to keep one person off the ballot. It simply made no sense. When you consider the emergency...
She's the other person?
Yes.
Some people I'm confused. I like to smile.
Well,
I'm still confused.
yes, but we think...
I'm doing this because so many of our citizens do not know that when the clerk or any other governmental official has to go to court, they use the money that belongs to the citizens that could be used to like garbage or put lights or for education to use for lawsuits.
Or consider the fact that our emergency services fleet is compromised. We have seniors who are dying because medical attention does not get to them in time. And I suggested that this clerk made certain those monies were available in the general coffers and they went to emergency situations such as EMS, fire, police, exactly.
So then the firemen and the policemen are getting cut in their wages and the money is going to the legal system.
Well, to add insult to injury, this clerk sent 13 people from her staff into court with us who sat in court with us 13 from Thursday to Thursday. Now add to that, from a top-heavy perspective, the director of elections and the deputy director of elections were also in court with us. We often wondered who was running the Department of Elections. If you can do without 15 people in your office, do you really need all of those people to begin with?
And this was how many days before the election?
Yes.
Are they relatives? Are they friends? Who are these people?
We have
Can we get the data to say, are you related? Where's the ethics committee of Detroit?
Well, they don't seem to be that concerned about the operations of the clerk's office. That's for certain.
Do any of your relatives work for her?
No, they do not.
You paid for more than you had to other.
My relatives are all
And I'm happy to tell you that I am very offended, and you ought to be offended. If the money
If you would have told me
that we pay
to,
for
I
our
would have moved. I didn't know he was taking care of it. That's why he
for
gave me
our
2
lights
days at
to
first.
be on.
That's right.
Yeah, I was like, why you give me so much money? Yeah,
And we are
I didn't know
on the
that.
other side
No,
of
he
the
didn't,
fence,
no.
and then the legal system can support another political candidate for the errors that they make. Something is wrong with this picture.
That's right.
We need to develop a scheme,
Yes.
a strategy to make a difference, and you need to be a part of it.